Performance requirements for today's buildings are increasing at a breakneck pace. New technology in building materials is responding to the challenge, allowing architects flexibility in design without compromising performance.
Buildings need protection from environmental forces. This would include things such as air and wind and heat and moisture. And in certain environments such as Florida, these factors are even more critical.
Today, the quality of the entire building envelope will determine how well a building functions, as well as its lifespan. No individual component used in the building's design can provide absolute protection, reduce energy consumption from air leakage, or ensure longevity.
There are three factors that really control the building's performance. First is the project design and its related details. The second is the construction, how it's built and the materials and the systems that are used. The third is the maintenance of the building and its long-term sustainability. When those three factors come together, you can have a high-performance solution for a building.
These new building designs and construction methods are stretching the limits of product performance, requiring a multitude of products to work seamlessly together. Tremco is developing superior technology and integrated product systems that provide true building envelope solutions to the most troublesome gaps in building protection.
From its founding in 1928, from pretty humble beginnings, Tremco has expanded to becoming a global enterprise with greater than 3,000 employees around the world and more than $1 billion in sales.
Tremco have a unique set of capabilities that allow it to engage in the construction process at all phases of a project. We participate with the owner's representatives to select and design systems for long-term performance, and we participate on project sites to ensure a quality installation.
Modern building design calls for entire walls of glass, rooftop gardens, and beautiful water features. Tremco helps ensure that the waterproofing components function together, enabling designers to provide the ultimate in aesthetic appeal while providing the ultimate in long-term performance and protection.
The high-performance design requirements of the industry not only affect new construction projects, but are increasingly affecting restoration work. In fact, we find ourselves participating on retrofits of very impressive buildings, sometimes monumental and/or national landmark type structures, and the expectation is that the building envelope will be upgraded to today's standards.
Tremco takes a unique, systematic, and what we would term internally as cradle-to-grave approach to the construction process. We assist the building owner's representatives in product selection. We work with the architects on the design of high-performance integrated solutions, and we work with the contracting community to ensure a proper installation.
Today's construction and building design is being stretched for a number of reasons: to improve air quality, lower energy requirements, provide ultimate protection for inhabitants, prolong the life of the building, as well as allow construction to be completed faster. This all starts with building science and impacts product development.
In the design of new products and systems, Tremco is very focused on three important factors. The first is the long-term durability and sustainability of the systems we provide. The second is how do we ensure that those systems we develop are easily connected to other building components and elements that help protect the structure. And finally, we want to ensure with every one of our advancements in technology that we provide productivity advantages that aid the contractor during installation. Behind me you see the installation of our new Tremproof 250 GC elastomeric waterproofing membrane. It's really a unique innovation in the industry as it allows the membrane to be applied directly to green concrete, saving significant and valuable time in the construction process.
This is a cold fluid applied material going down. The product can be put down on green concrete. 24 hours after the concrete is placed, this particular product can be put in place. It is also going to be put down in a high build application at 120 mils, providing better crack bridge capabilities and longer longevity for the membrane in high water immersion type conditions.
Spray-applied waterproofing membranes with drainage, protection, and insulation boards are systems designed to be continuous and fully adhered to eliminate any potential source of water entry. With the spray-applied system from Tremco, these elements can be applied as soon as the spraying is complete, allowing speed and efficiency in below-grade waterproofing as well as superior seamless protection. Air barrier systems are also getting increased attention throughout the United States. Moisture entering a building through air leaks can cause the rot of building components, rusting and degradation of structural supports, as well as damage to exterior finishes. Up to 40% of a building's energy use is attributable to air leakage. So an active air barrier system must be continuous from the foundation to the roof, including the windows, with no gaps in coverage. Product innovation in deck coatings is providing the flexibility to compensate for sloping and surface imperfections, while providing unsurpassed hardness in half the time, and superior resistance to UV exposure, weather, and even caustic chemicals. While sealant joints may appear to be a minor detail in the design and construction of a building, they have a vital impact on a building's lifespan. Tremco offers a full range of sealants and impregnated foam tapes to satisfy literally every application scenario. For example, Tremco's patented advanced silicone technology has been developed to provide resistance to the damaging effects of ultraviolet rays and oxidation, while providing superior adhesion to last far longer and lower the cost of maintenance.
Typically we have 10 or 12 different standard colors for silicones. With this product we have an excess of 270 colors that we can make in a color pack and send it out to the field without special colors. Added benefits is very low dirt pickup and non-staining properties, especially on natural stones.
Finally, building science has led to the use of curtain walls, made of glass held in place by sealants, rather than brick walls 12 inches thick. Now these glass walls and window systems must be able to protect against the fury of hurricanes, as well as the devastation of terrorism.
YKKP has worked very closely with Tremco to develop gaskets and structural silicone sealants to act as a complete integrated unit, keeping the glass in place after it's been impacted by a missile and then through the cycle of the hurricane. YKKP and Tremco have worked very closely to develop systems that provide the necessary protection for buildings from both man-made and natural disasters. It's that partnership that has allowed us to develop new technologies and provide the protection necessary.
It is important to acknowledge, however, no single component used in the construction process can assure there will be a proper flow of air and water vapor into and out of a building, nor guarantee weather tightness and durability. High-quality products must be used as integrated compatible systems in order to ensure superior building performance.
Maybe the most significant buzzword in the construction industry today is the concept of full and entire building envelope solutions. The reality is construction elements need to come together to connect in ways they never have before to ensure long-term performance of the building enclosure. Tremco is uniquely positioned because of our capabilities on wall systems, on sealants, on glazing products, on waterproofing coatings, to truly provide bridges or connectors between these typically adjacent but unconnected building elements.
Tremco and companies like Tremco can offer products and systems that can solve these problems. They can offer solutions that satisfy the immediate need to stop the air and moisture from moving through the envelope, and they can offer the integration to put those systems together to solve problems in a holistic way.
The expectations for product performance have never been greater for today's modern buildings, and Tremco is leading the way in providing entire building envelope solutions.